My name is Susan Achiri Gatani from Kiamba St. Anne Junior Academy, which is located in Kiambasa County, Kiambu County. Bringing you a poem entitled Ruto, the Man of Hustlers. Surely, you're a man of hustlers. We even see you there in Bimbadas and kiosks, eating with hustlers. Minding choma, githeri, chai, mandazi. Wow! Ruto, the man of hustlers. It is no doubt you're a man of hustlers. Na hata watoto hautatuacha nyuma. We have seen you helping some of us. I salute you, man of hustlers. Ruto, the man of hustlers. Your Excellency, I'm too young to vote, but I'm promising you, come 2022 election, I'll welcome my papa, my mama, my grandpa, my grandma to go and elect you man of hustlers. Ruto, the man of hustlers. Thank you.
Siameongea mambo ya the man of hustlers, ndio usalimia hustler mwenyewe hata ni hustler wa kesho. Kiaba ambaye analeke. Anakaenda kwa vya kama analeka. Ego moyo hayo. Ni dekuga maodo maige. Ya kwanza naibu wa rais, karibu hapa Kiambu. Kiambu ni